Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel at Future Way Next. I hope you're doing well. Today, we're going to talk about LMIA-Exempt Work Permits Canada 2024 IRCC Canada Immigration. Before we start, make sure to stick around till the end for all the info. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates. Now, let's get into it. We'll talk about Canada's No LMIA Work Permit process in 2024. Embarking on a journey to work in Canada is an exciting prospect, and in 2024 the Canadian immigration landscape offers a unique work permit process. This groundbreaking initiative opens doors for individuals seeking employment in Canada without the traditional requirement of a labor market impact assessment, LMIA. In this video, we'll discuss this innovative process, providing valuable insights and guidance for those eager to explore professional opportunities in the Great White North. So to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Canada's LMIA-Exempt Work Permit process in 2024, a comprehensive guide for smooth employment transition. Considering a move to Canada for work, the intricate process of obtaining a work permit often involves dealing with the Labour Market Impact Assessment, LMIA. However, Canada's International Mobility Program, IMP, offers a streamlined path for certain foreign workers to secure employer-specific work permits without the need. Whether you are a skilled professional, recent graduate, or facing unique circumstances, this comprehensive guide provides essential information to help you navigate the Canadian employment landscape effectively. Dive into the details of LMIA-Exempt Work Permits, explore the International Mobility Program, and discover the various categories exempt from LMIA requirements. Canada's International Mobility Program serves as a gateway for foreign workers to contribute to Canada for a specified period, often up to 2 years or more, by providing exemptions from LMIA requirement. IMP facilitates the issuance of work permits for specific categories, including those under international free trade agreements and company transfers and postgraduate work permits. LMIA-exempt categories. International free trade agreements with Canada has engaged in various free trade agreements with other countries, resulting in exemptions from LMIA requirements for specific occupations. Notable examples include the Canada, United States, Mexico Agreement, the Comprehensive and Progressive Agreement for Trans-Pacific Partnerships CPTPP. Canadian Social and Cultural Interests Work Permits granted for reasons of Canadian social or cultural interests promote diversity and international cooperation. Examples include permits for athletes, artists, and performers contributing to Canada's cultural fabric. Intercompany transfers from air requirements facilitate the movement of key personnel within multinational companies. This allows them to work in Canada for a specified period, contributing their skills and expertise. Postgraduate Work Permit PGWP, designed for international students who have completed a program at a Canadian designated learning institution. The PGWP offers a pathway to work in Canada. This permit is exempt from the LMIA requirement and serves as a stepping stone towards Canadian permanent residency. LMIA-exempt jobs in Canada. Certain jobs in Canada are exempt from LMIA requirements based on public policies, international agreements, Canadian interests, significant benefit, and humanitarian reasons. Understanding these exemptions is crucial for a targeted job search and a smoother application process. How to apply for an LMIA-exempt work permit. Check eligibility. Thoroughly review the eligibility criteria for the specific LMIA-exempt category you are applying for. Assess your qualifications, work experience, other relevant factors to ensure you meet the criteria. Gather documentation. Collect necessary documents, including valid passport, travel authorizations, proof of the job offer. Passport is valid for the intended duration of your stay in Canada. Secure any required travel authorizations and compiled documents substantiating your job offer. Pay fees and apply. Submit your application with the required documents and a fee of $155 Canadian dollar. Complete the designated application form. Attach all necessary supporting documents and pay the prescribed fee to ensure a smooth processing of your application. Wait decision. Track your application status through the online system while waiting for a decision. The waiting period can be crucial, and staying informed about your status is essential for effective planning. Conclusion. Navigating Canada. LMIA-Exempt Work Permit process requires a thorough understanding of the various categories, eligibility criteria, and documentation requirements. By following this comprehensive guide, you can streamline your application process and increase your chances of obtaining a work permit without the complexities of the LMIA. Whether you are a professional recent graduate or a worker contributing to Canadian interests, the LMIA-Exempt Work Permit process offers a promising avenue for your employment aspirations in Canada. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in the next episode. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in the next episode. Till then, take care. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates on Future Way Next. That's it for today. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comments.